Parents, good evening. Welcome to Nanded Nursery Play School. Today we will discuss about the scribbling. Before that we will have few points I will explain you. We hope everyone has received the school bag. There are two books inside the school bag. First to write alphabets, one book for writing alphabets and one for numbers. You have to write the child's name on a bag as well as on the book also. Second thing, we have today uploaded the syllabus for the June and July. You are kindly requested to just go through it, note down whatever things you want to know. And that syllabus we are going to follow for these 2 months. Once again, we'll come to our main topic. So we are discussing about the scribbling. As I told you that scribbling is a basic of writing. Scribbling it means the child's emotion expression. Scribbling means developing hand and eye coordination. When child is doing the scribbling on paper, his muscles of his fingers are become strong. So we have to allow your child to do the scribbling. You have to look at the child, what he is doing and how he is doing. Very important things are there. How my child is holding the pen, or pencil. So this is the pencil. Some children hold this way, some hold that way. So there are the special ways we have to hold the pencil. See, they should hold the pencil into first 2 fingers. And then they should give support by this down finger. Middle fingers will give the support to children. And they will not hold here also. That is also wrong. They will not hold very closer also. That is also wrong. At least from the 1 inch distance from the first point to hand, there should be the 1 inch distance is there. So you know when you are writing also, you also know that you are also experience. They should able to see the tip of this pen or pencil. So they will able. So you will say that why it is right now it is important. If you want to start this writing work, slowly and gradually they will develop the same habit of holding the pencil. I have seen the n number of children. I have seen one child was writing this way. So that is a totally wrong. If you want to have the handwriting is very important part of everyone's life. So handwriting, how to develop the handwriting, there are different ways are there, skills are there, but these are the basic thing. If you correct your child at the basic level, then it will be helpful for you further level. Because afterwards you will start complaining, my child is not holding the pencil properly. So now today is the first lesson they are going to start. See that, it's not, don't force them. If they are holding this way, tell them, show them. Be polite, be patient. So along with your child, and you show them how to hold a pencil. Okay, I know that it's not so easy task. It's a very difficult because if you show this way, again the child may hold this way. There are different ways that children are holding the pencil. So you have to take care how my child is holding the pencil. And as our first lesson is scribbling, so first page of the book, you have to see that whatever the child wants to scribble, okay. See, sometimes you are telling child to do the scribbling, child will not understand. So you have to take another paper or you can take another book also. You also start doing the scribbling on your page. So and you show your child, oh, see this where I am going, I am coming from here, I am going there. That will make it very interesting. When the child is doing the scribbling, you should encourage your child. Wow, nice, huh? You did very lovely, see? How your lines are going from here up and down, round and circle, everything. So many things you can talk over there. Okay, so you have to help your child to do the scribbling on paper. Another side, as I told you last time, you have to take care of the books also. Because children are very much interested in doing the scribble all over the house as well as all over the books also. So be particular about that. Then another book about the number book it is given. We have to start the number 1. They may start from the top of that. Teacher has given this way. So they may start from the top, not to mind at all. So help your child. We have to encourage our children because for them it's not so easy. Hand and eye coordination is not it is not up to mark in this between the 2.5 to 3.5 age. They take some children take a very small time somehow depend upon how physically they are built up. So it will take time also. So be patient, be with them. You have a lot of time these days. Some people are on the vacation also, still lockdown it is going on. So you see to that your children are doing this lesson. So when they are doing this, particularly pay attention on the this writing work. Okay, holding the pencil you have to pay attention. We will be doing throughout this week. Scribbling one page in the book or back of that page also you have to do the scribbling. But these 2 pages are not sufficient to develop the child's hand and eye coordination, motor skill development. They still require a lot of practice. So at home if you have some rough papers, newspaper, whatever it is, you give it to your child. Don't give only the pencil. I will suggest you can give the crayons also. Crayon is also, they are very smooth, so for them it's very easy to go around everywhere, wherever they want. So you can make it use of the crayons also. So you can use pencil or crayons, no pen at all. You have to take care, your child will not use the pen at least for the first 3 to 4 years of their writing, handwriting work. They will use the pencil and crayons for the writing work. So this way I hope so scribbling lesson is clear to everyone. Thank you.